Have you ever wished your home looked like a lush indoor jungle, without waiting years for plants to grow? The secret isn't expensive fertilizers or complicated care routines. It's choosing the right plants. Some indoor plants are incredibly fast growers, producing new leaves, long vines, and fresh shoots almost non-stop when given basic care. In today's video, you'll discover 15 amazing indoor plants that grow like crazy, making your home greener faster than you ever imagined. Whether you're a beginner looking for easy success or a plant lover wanting a fuller collection, these plants deliver impressive results with minimal effort. Stay until the end because plant number 1 is one of the fastest growing houseplants in the world, capable of transforming a small cutting into a stunning indoor display in just a few months. Let's begin growing your dream indoor jungle. The spider plant is one of the easiest and fastest growing houseplants you can own. Its graceful green leaves arch outward while producing baby plantlets that hang from long stems like tiny spiders. Place it in bright, indirect light. Water when the soil begins to dry, and it will reward you with continuous growth throughout the year. Spider plants tolerate occasional neglect, making them perfect for beginners. They also help improve indoor air quality while filling empty shelves with lush greenery. Once mature, each baby can be rooted into a brand new plant, meaning one spider plant can quickly become dozens. With proper watering and occasional feeding during the growing season, you'll constantly notice fresh leaves and new babies appearing. It's an ideal choice for anyone wanting rapid results without much effort. Heartleaf Philodendron is famous for its beautiful heart-shaped leaves and vigorous climbing or trailing vines. Under bright, indirect light, this plant can produce several new leaves every month. Its flexible stems easily climb moss poles or cascade beautifully from hanging baskets. The plant adapts well to average indoor conditions and forgives occasional mist watering. Feeding it monthly during spring and summer encourages even faster growth. Regular trimming makes the plant bushier, while the cuttings root easily in water, allowing endless propagation. Its glossy foliage creates a rich tropical atmosphere that instantly upgrades any room. Because of its fast growth and low maintenance, Heartleaf Philodendron has remained one of the world's favorite houseplants for decades. Chinese evergreen combines attractive patterned foliage with surprisingly steady growth. While often considered slow compared to vines, under warm temperatures, high humidity, and moderate light, it develops fresh leaves consistently throughout the year. Modern varieties feature stunning silver, green, pink, and red patterns that brighten indoor spaces. Water only when the top inch of soil dries, and avoid excessive direct sunlight. Balanced fertilizer every month during active growth keeps the leaves vibrant and healthy. As the stems mature, the plant becomes fuller and more decorative. Its ability to tolerate lower light while continuing to grow makes it an excellent choice for offices, apartments, and shaded rooms where many plants struggle. Peace lily is well known for its elegant white flowers, but it's also a surprisingly vigorous grower when cared for properly. Bright, filtered light and consistently moist soil encourage continuous production of glossy green leaves. During warm months, new shoots emerge from the base, making the plant fuller every season. Besides its beautiful appearance, peace lily is appreciated for helping freshen indoor air. Remove faded blooms to redirect energy toward leaf production and occasional flowering. Monthly feeding with a balanced fertilizer supports healthy growth. With enough humidity and stable temperatures, you'll notice your peace lily becoming noticeably larger year after year while maintaining its elegant appearance. Rubber plant grows quickly into a stunning indoor tree with thick stems and large, glossy leaves. Place it near a bright window with filtered sunlight, and it can produce new leaves almost every week during active growing seasons. Wipe dust from the leaves regularly to maximize photosynthesis. Water thoroughly, then allow the soil to partially dry before watering again. Regular feeding encourages vigorous growth, while pruning stimulates branching for a fuller appearance. Rubber plants can eventually reach impressive indoor heights, making them perfect statement plants for living rooms. Their dramatic foliage and relatively simple care make them favorites among interior designers. Monstera Deliciosa is famous for its giant split leaves and rapid growth. Given bright indirect light, warm temperatures, and a moss pull for climbing, this tropical beauty grows surprisingly fast. Each new leaf typically emerges larger than the previous one, gradually developing the iconic holes and splits. Water when the topsoil dries slightly, and feed monthly during spring and summer. High humidity encourages even larger foliage. As aerial roots develop, they help anchor the plant while supporting vigorous climbing growth. Within just a year, a young monstera can become an eye-catching centerpiece that instantly gives your home a tropical rainforest feel. Arrowhead plant starts compact, but quickly develops long climbing vines packed with colorful arrow-shaped leaves. Available in green, white, pink, and variegated varieties, it thrives in bright, indirect light with moderate watering. Frequent pruning creates a bushier appearance, while the cuttings root easily for propagation. Its adaptable nature allows it to flourish on shelves, hanging baskets, or climbing supports. Regular fertilizing during active growth produces continuous new foliage. This plant is ideal for anyone wanting colorful leaves combined with rapid growth. English ivy grows rapidly indoors when provided with bright, filtered light and cool temperatures. Its elegant trailing vines create beautiful cascades from shelves or hanging baskets. Keep the soil lightly moist and provide good air circulation to maintain healthy growth. Trimming encourages thicker vines, while propagation is incredibly simple using stem cuttings. Although fast-growing, it benefits from occasional shaping to prevent excessive legginess. English ivy instantly adds classic charm and lush greenery to any indoor space. Tracencantia zebrina is loved for its striking purple, silver, and green striped foliage. This incredibly fast-growing trailing plant produces long stems within weeks under bright, indirect light. Pinching growing tips keeps it dense and colorful while encouraging more branching. Water when the surface begins drying, avoiding overly wet soil. Cuttings root extremely quickly in water, or directly in soil, making propagation effortless. Few houseplants offer such rapid growth combined with vibrant color. Pothos is one of the fastest growing and most forgiving houseplants available. Whether displayed on shelves, hanging baskets, or climbing poles, its vines can grow several feet each year. It tolerates lower light, but grows fastest in bright, indirect sunlight. Water only after the soil partially dries, and fertilize monthly for explosive vine growth. Pruning stimulates branching, making the plant fuller while providing cuttings for propagation. Its resilience and speed make pothos one of the best beginner-friendly houseplants. Lucky bamboo grows steadily in either water or soil, making it uniquely versatile. Keep it in bright, indirect light, using clean water or well-draining soil. Replace water regularly to encourage healthy root development. As new shoots emerge, the stalks become thicker and taller over time. Its elegant appearance and reputation for bringing good fortune make it popular in homes and offices. Although slower than vines, it consistently produces fresh growth with very little maintenance. Snake plant is famous for surviving neglect while producing strong, upright leaves from underground rhizomes. During warm growing seasons, healthy plants regularly send up new shoots, gradually filling the pot with dense foliage. Bright, indirect light accelerates growth, although it also tolerates low light conditions. Allow the soil to dry completely between waterings to avoid root rot. Once mature, snake plants produce many offsets that can be divided into separate plants. Their architectural appearance makes them ideal for modern interiors. ZZ plant surprises many gardeners with its vigorous underground rhizome growth. While individual stems develop gradually, healthy plants suddenly send up multiple shiny shoots after storing enough energy. Bright, indirect light, occasional watering, and patience are the keys to success. Fertilize lightly during spring and summer to encourage faster development. Each new stem emerges taller and stronger than before, creating a fuller appearance year after year. ZZ plants are exceptionally drought tolerant and thrive with minimal care. Swiss cheese vine grows remarkably fast compared to many tropical houseplants. Its climbing vines produce increasingly larger perforated leaves as they mature. Provide a moss pole, warm temperatures, bright indirect light, and consistent watering to maximize growth. High humidity encourages lush foliage, while regular feeding supports vigorous climbing. This plant can quickly transform a plain corner into a stunning vertical green wall. Golden Pothos deserves the #1 spot because few indoor plants grow as quickly or as reliably. Under bright, indirect light, its vines can extend several feet each year while continuously producing beautiful green and gold variegated leaves. Even beginners achieve impressive results because this plant tolerates occasional mist watering, average humidity, and a wide range of indoor conditions. Simply water when the soil begins drying, fertilize monthly during active growth, and trim vines occasionally to encourage branching. Every cutting can be rooted in water, allowing you to create endless new plants for free. Whether climbing a moss pole, trailing from shelves, or decorating a hanging basket, Golden Pothos creates an instant tropical look. If your goal is to fill your home with lush greenery as quickly as possible, this is one of the best indoor plants you can grow. Those are 15 incredible indoor plants that grow like crazy, helping you create a beautiful indoor jungle without years of waiting. With proper light, consistent watering, occasional feeding, and a little patience, these plants will reward you with non-stop new growth and vibrant foliage. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more plant care tips, propagation guides, and indoor gardening inspiration. Thanks for watching, and remember, every thriving indoor jungle starts with just one healthy plant. See you in the next video.